It's been an amazing year for the investment community. Housing prices have soared and the benchmark S&P 500 has hit 5 dozen record closing highs in 2021. But these gains pale in comparison to the upside we've witnessed in the cryptocurrency space since the coronavirus pandemic hit 20 months ago. The total value of all digital currencies has grown from $141 billion to $2.71 trillion, according to CoinMarketCap.com. One of the key tokens leading that charge is memcoin Shiba. Shiba made its debut on August 1, 2020. In less than 15 months, it rocketed its way into the top 10 of all cryptocurrencies by market cap and sported a valuation in excess of $30 billion at its peak. We're talking about gains of better than $17 million in just over a year. Put into context, $10 Australian investment on its debut day would have made you a millionaire. SHIB tokens have also ridden the wave higher following the launch of Shiba Swap 4 months ago. Shiba Swap is a decentralized exchange that allows for hodlers to stake their coins and earn passive income. The key catalyst here being the incentive for SHIB investors to hang on to their tokens for an extended period of time, and, of course, no discussion of Shiba is complete without mentioning the role Tesla Motors CEO Elon Musk has played. Even though SHIB tokens aren't in the digital wallet of the world's richest person, Musk did recently adopt a Japanese Shiba breed dog, which he named Floki. Anytime Musk tweets about his dog or posts a meme containing a Shiba, investors treat it as their cue to pump up the price of SHIB tokens. But there's something else that's propelled SHIB higher, which Shiba does better than virtually any other cryptocurrency in existence: create social media buzz. Whereas investor emotions and the fear of missing out have limited potential with regard to stock prices, the cryptocurrency space has been a different beast entirely. If a digital currency can generate enough sustainable buzz in the short term, hodlers can enjoy historic gains. There have been quite a few 4, 5, and 6-digit percentage gains in the crypto arena in under a 3-year time frame. Or, in Shiba Inu's case, a 17 million gain in just shy of 15 months. According to a report from Vacancy Technologies, Shiba has averaged 2.8 million searches per month on Google, a division of Alphabet, in 2021. That's the third most searches per month of the more than 13,600 cryptocurrencies in existence, trailing only Bitcoin at 22 million searches per month, and at Ethereum with 6.3 million monthly Google searches. What's more, Shiba online community has grown at an astounding pace. Online chat and sharing community Reddit has seen the number of members for r/SHIB army grow to 410,000, as of this past weekend. Although this is only about 20 the size of the Reddit Dogecoin community, Dogecoin has had a 7-year head start on Shiba. What this data demonstrates is that social media has been effectively used to create a buzz around SHIB that's led to substantially higher price points and nothing short of from some cryptocurrency investors.